First, we will show you the functioning of the project, and then we will give a brief explanation of how this all happens and how we made this project. So, to show the functioning, first let us on the switch of the power. So, when the switch is opened, everything get started. The LCD screen, the IR sensors, and the Arduino. So, we will see that in the LCD screen, it shows that JMPS Smart Parking slot left 5, as there are total 5 slots left in the parking lot. So when one car will enter, the barricade will open and it will get parked in the first slot. So when the second car will enter, the barricade will open and it will get parked in the second slot. And when 2 cars are parked, 2 slots are decreased and it is displayed on the LCD screen also that the slot left are 3. Now when the third car enters, again the barricade is going to open and the car will get parked. It again decreases the slot. When the fourth car will enter, the barricade will open and it will also get parked. Now there's only 1 slot left, and if I try to exit the car, we will see that now 2 slots are left, as 1 car is already exit from the parking lot. So now 2 cars can accommodate in this. So this car will again enter and this will open, and the last car will be also allowed in the parking lot. Now as the 5 slots are already occupied, the LCD screen displays that the parking is full. So if the 6th car tries to enter, the barricade will not open for the 6th car. And if 1 car gets exit from the lot, this car can also now enter in the parking lot. So this was the functioning of the project. Now after seeing the functioning of this project, we will tell you that how we made it and what are the components of this project. So first of all, if we come here, we see the LCD screen. It is a 16 by 2 LCD screen which has 16 chars and 2 columns. Next, we have these 2 IR sensors. This being the entry sensor and this being the exit sensor. The entry sensor detects the entry of the car and the exit sensor detects the exit of the car. When the IR sensor detects the entry of the car, it decreases the slots, and when it detects the exit of the car, it increases the slot. Next, if we come around, we see the wiring of the project. We have the power bank here. It is the main power supply of the project. We have the IR sensor here. We have the Arduino Uno here, which is the brain of the project, and it controls all the functioning of the project. And we also have the servo motor here, which turns the barricade to 90 degrees and 0 degrees again and again when the sensor senses it. The Arduino Uno is a programmable board that is again controlled by the code or program that we uploaded in it via the computer. Now let us discuss the code of the project. So if we talk about the code, it is quite simple. Firstly, we declared a variable whose value was 5, as there are total 5 slots in the parking lot. Then we put a statement in the code that when the IR sensor of the entry will detect anything, it will send the input to Arduino Uno, which will send the signal to the servo motor to turn the barricade to 90 degrees and back to 0 degrees when the car passes. And then we also put a statement that when the exit IR sensor will detect any car, it will also send the input to the Arduino Uno, which will again send the input to the LCD screen to show that one slot is increased. So if we come here, we also see that the LCD screen is also connected to the Arduino Uno. So the LCD screen also works on the code uploaded by us. We also put a condition that the variable or the slots displayed on the LCD screen cannot be more than 5 and it cannot be less than 0. When the slots are 0, it shows the parking is full. Now I will tell you the applications of these kinds of systems in the real life. The parking systems are used in malls, on bus stands, in schools and various other places which needs parking. These are very efficient as they also reduce manpower and they also cut the cost. We can also see that we can add some more features to the project like barcode reader that will read the number plate and allow only some specific cars in the parking lot. So this is all about our project Smart Parking System. Thank you and have a nice day.